Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Asphalt app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, so then you just look in here for your Asphalt app or just click on search. Then here at Asphalt app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on it. Then you search here for Asphalt app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.